Creative writing prompts are powerful tools, but the level of structure we include matters. Many creative prompts already tell students how to begin, what should happen in the middle, and how the story should end before they've had space to think. Instead of building ideas, students may begin filling in templates. And when that happens, writing can quietly shift from exploration to completion. Here are three shifts worth considering. First, use more open ended prompts with no fixed outcome. Ask questions like: what if school buses were replaced with hot air balloons? No beginning, no ending, just a possibility. Second, allow drawing before writing. When students catch their ideas first, imagination expands before structure narrows it. Third, reduce early pressure around word count. Creativity grows when ideas matter more than length. When imagination is protected early, confidence grows naturally. Finding the right balance in structure doesn't remove guidance, it protects thinking. What has your experience been with creative writing prompts? I would value your perspective.